So here we are. Today we happen to be here in Waupaca, Wisconsin. Just a little bit of downtown Waupaca. Small little town. Thank you for watching Jessica in Wisconsin. Today we happen to be here at Waupaca, Wisconsin. I never made a video here before. Been here a few times, people, but this is the first time I'm making a video for you guys so you can see Waupaca. Waupaca is a small little town in the heart of Wisconsin. So I'm assuming this town is not that big, but this is all you see. That is the city hall. Beautiful city hall, honestly. It looks so fancy. It seems like they have a few shops over here on the left hand side. You can see how beautiful the architecture is here in Waupaca as well. I'm gonna go slow so you can see. So just wanted to make this video so you can see how downtown Waupaca looks like. It is actually a nice little town. We're gonna cross the street. Hello. Local people here in Waupaca, Wisconsin. And this is how it looks. Pretty clean, honestly. It looks nice and clean. It looks beautiful. It seems like they have a few shops here and there, which is pretty good. Not bad at all. Kind of wonder what that building is over there. A lot of bars as usual. Here in Wisconsin, it's typical to see a lot of bars everywhere. Bars and church. See, that's beautiful. And they have beautiful music. We're gonna drive that way. This is called Main Street Marketplace. We sell nice things to nice people. Oh my. It's actually really nice. We never been to this little part of the town. They have a lot of shops over here. Is that a bank over there? Tax. Yeah, they have a lot of little places in here. Beautiful. I see a lot of bars everywhere. Welcome to Waupaca. You know, this is a city hall. It looks really nice.
There's a library in here.
So they got a library there too?
It's in fact the only sign I saw was a library.
Oh, okay. I saw the city hall on the other side. Beautiful little Waupaca. What I was interested about seeing is the building all the way to the end. I just wonder what the building is. See? And you can turn maybe left on that building. It has like a big spire all the way to the top. What is that? Oh, the little ship. Look at that. That's cute. Nice. See that building? It's like historical. I don't know what it is. It says... Is that one way?
It isn't now.
Nice building. Well guys, we hope that you guys enjoyed these videos driving here in Waupaca. Thank you once again for subscribing to our channel, Jessica in Wisconsin, Jeff and Jess, Sinna. We'll see you next time. It's no people at all. It's kind of windy.
Yeah, it is.
Farmers State Bank.